Understanding the phrase, "in this together." Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of a very popular English phrase, "in this together." This phrase is not just common in day-to-day conversations, but it also holds a deep significance in times of shared experiences. Let's dive in and understand what it means to be in this together. The phrase, "in this together," is used to express unity and solidarity. It means that a group of people are facing a situation or involved in an activity as a team, and they are committed to going through it side by side. It implies mutual support, shared responsibility, and a sense of belonging. "In this together" can be used in various contexts. Here are a few. 1. During challenges. In tough times, like a crisis or hardship, saying, "we're in this together," signifies that no one is alone, and everyone is supporting each other. 2. In team projects. In a work or school project, it can mean that every member is contributing equally and working towards a common goal. 3. In relationships. It can also reflect a strong bond, where partners support each other through thick and thin. The phrase is powerful because it emphasizes community and cooperation. It's a reminder that collective effort and empathy can overcome challenges. "In this together" fosters a sense of togetherness and strength in unity. The phrase, "in this together," is more than just words. It's a promise of solidarity and support. It's a reminder that, no matter what the situation, there is strength in numbers and comfort in unity. I hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the depth and warmth of this phrase. Stay connected, and remember, we're all in this together.